Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 5th of December 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 5th of December 2020. Our first question is, which of the following state government has appointed Amitabh Jain, a 1989 batch IAS officer, as its chief secretary? Answer is option number 4, Chhattisgarh. Amitabh Jain is an IAS officer of 1989 batch and recently he has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Chhattisgarh. He will succeed Rajendra Prasad Mandal, who has recently retired from the service. Answer will be option number 4, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, this is Chhattisgarh. It was formed on 1st of November 2000. Its capital is Raipur. Governor is Anusuya Uike. CM is Bhupesh Baghel. Its legislature has 90 seats. 11 members elected Lok Sabha and 5 members elected to Rajya Sabha from Chhattisgarh. It is the 9th largest state by area in India and 17th largest by population in India. It borders with Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana and Maharashtra, and Mahanadi, Godavari, Narmada, Rihand, Indravati are the main rivers of Chhattisgarh. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as National Pollution Control Day in India? Answer is option number 2, 2nd December. Every year, 2nd of December is celebrated as National Pollution Control Day in India every year. This day is observed in the memory of those who have lost their lives in the Bhopal gas tragedy on the night of December 2nd and 3rd, 1984. Many people died due to the poisonous gas methyl isocyanate. Bhopal gas tragedy is considered as one of the biggest industrial pollution disaster, and that's the reason every year 2nd of December is celebrated as National Pollution Control Day in India. Answer will be option number 2. Next question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Computer Literacy Day? Answer is option number 2, 2nd December. 2nd December is celebrated as World Computer Literacy Day every year to create awareness and drive digital literacy in underserved communities worldwide. This day promotes technical skills, especially in children's and women's, and the World Computer Literacy Day aims to inspire them to learn more and make their work easier by the use of computers. Answer will be option number 2, 2nd December. Next, Hornbill Festival is related to which of the following state? Answer is option number 2, Nagaland. Hornbill Festival is also called Festival of Festivals and it is celebrated every year from 1st to 10th of December in Nagaland, and in 2020 it is being celebrated in a virtual mode due to COVID-19 pandemic. Answer will be option number 2, Nagaland. Nagaland, this is Nagaland. It was formed on 1st of December 1963. Capital is Kohima. Governor is Aryan Ravi. Chief Minister is Nephew Rio. Its legislature has 60 seats. 1 member is elected to Lok Sabha and 1 member is elected to Rajya Sabha from Nagaland. It borders with Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Myanmar. Next, which of the following state government has launched a power plant based on municipal waste of 11.5 megawatt? Answer is option number 2, Karnataka. Recently, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, has laid the foundation stone of a 11.5 megawatt power plant which will be run on the municipal waste. This is a first of its kind plant in the Karnataka and it will be capable of converting 600 tons of municipal waste into 11.5 megawatt energy. Answer will be option number 2, Karnataka. Karnataka, this is Karnataka. Its capital is Bengaluru. Governor is Vijubhai Vala. Chief Minister is B.S. Yediyurappa. Its legislature has 224 plus 75 members. That is, in Vidhan Sabha there are 224 members and in Vidhan Parishad there are 75 members. 28 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 12 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Karnataka. It borders with Arabian Sea, Goa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Main rivers are Krishna, Bhima, Ghatprabha, Vedavati, Malaprabha, Tungabhadra and Kaveri. India's first integrated air ambulance service has been launched in Karnataka recently. Atma Mitra app and helpline to fight COVID-19 has been launched by Karnataka government. Arthik Spandan disbursal scheme is also related to Karnataka, and India's first sandalwood museum is also being established in Ashokpuram in Karnataka. Next, who has been appointed as the new Director General of Border Road Organization, that is BRO, recently? Answer is option number 2, Rajiv Chaudhary. Rajiv Chaudhary has recently been appointed as the new Director General of Border Roads Organization. He will succeed Harpal Singh. Answer will be option number 2, Rajiv Chaudhary. What is Border Road Organization? Border Roads Organization is an Indian Army Corps of Engineers which develops and maintains road network in India's border areas and friendly neighboring countries. It was formed on 7th of May 1960. Headquarters is in New Delhi. Answer will be option number 2. Next, which institution has recently signed a loan agreement of worth $50 million with India to boost digital platforms for West Bengal Public Finance Management Investment? Answer is option number 1, ADB, that is Asian Development Bank. Recently, India has signed a loan agreement of $50 million with ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, to boost digital platforms for West Bengal Public Finance Management Investment. Answer will be option number 1, ADB. What is ADB? Long form of ADB is Asian Development Bank. It was formed on 19th of December 1966. Headquarters is in Manila. Manila is in Philippines, and currently President is Matsugu Asukawa. It has been signed for West Bengal. Look at map. This is West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Chief Minister is Mamata Banerjee. Its legislature has 294 seats. 42 members elected to Lok Sabha and 16 members elected to Rajya Sabha from West Bengal. West Bengal is the fourth most populous and 13th largest state by area in India. It borders with Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Orissa, Jharkhand, Bihar, Sikkim and Assam. Ganga, Hooghly, Damodar, Bhagirathi and Mayurakshi are the main rivers of West Bengal, and Kathi is the dance form of West Bengal. Next, who has become the fastest to reach 12,000 runs in one-day international cricket? Answer is option number 4, Virat Kohli. Indian cricketer Virat Kohli has recently become the fastest player to surpass 12,000 runs in ODI, that is one-day international cricket. He has completed 12,000 runs in just 242 innings. Answer will be option number 4, Virat Kohli. Next, which of the following country has recently declared a climate emergency and promised to make its public sector carbon neutral by 2025? Answer is option number 4, New Zealand. Recently, New Zealand has declared the climate emergency, and New Zealand has pledged to become carbon neutral by 2025. The climate emergency declaration came following the findings of an intergovernmental panel that stated that in order to prevent over a 1.5 degree Celsius rise in global warming, the emission should be cut by 45% by 2023 from 2010 level and reach zero by the year 2050. Answer will be option number 4, New Zealand. New Zealand capital is Wellington. PM is Jacinda Ardern, and currency of New Zealand is New Zealand dollar. Next, Dharmapal Gulati has recently died at the age of 98. He was associated with which of the following companies? Answer is option number 3, MDH. Dharmapal Gulati, also known as Mahashay Dharmapal Gulati, was an Indian businessman, founder and CEO of MDH, an Indian spice company. He was also awarded with Padma Bhushan in 2019, and MDH is an Indian spice producer and seller based in New Delhi, India. It is the second largest leader in Indian market with 12% market share following Everest Spices, and Dharmapal Gulati was the CEO and founder of MDH. Answer will be option number 3, MDH. This was Dharmapal Gulati. Next, to strengthen and modernize the distribution network and improve the quality of power supply in which Indian state? India has recently signed a $132.8 million loan with Asian Development Bank recently. Answer is option number 3, Meghalaya. Recently, Government of India has signed an loan agreement of $132.8 million with Asian Development Bank to strengthen and modernize the distribution network and improve the quality of power supply in Meghalaya. Answer will be option number 3, Meghalaya. Meghalaya, this is Meghalaya. It is one of the 7 sister state of Northeast India. It was formed on 21st of January 1972. Capital is Shillong. Governor is Satyapal Malik. Chief Minister is Conrad Sangma. Its legislature has 60 seats. 2 members elected to Lok Sabha and 1 member is elected to Rajya Sabha from Meghalaya. It borders with Bangladesh, Assam and West Bengal. Ganol, Daring, Sanda, Bandra, Bugai, Simsang, Nitai and Bhupai are the main rivers of Meghalaya, and English is the official language of Meghalaya. Now, we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. First question was, which of the following day has been celebrated as 56th foundation day of BSF? Answer is 1st December. Recently, in which of the following state organ donor memorial has been inaugurated? Answer is option number 1, Rajasthan. Which of the following city has recently become the world's most connected city? Answer is Shanghai. Who has become the fastest player to score 22,000 international runs? Answer is option number 4, Virat Kohli. Which bank has recently launched SMS Pay feature? Answer is Yes Bank. Which of the following state government has recently launched Oru Nodoi scheme? Answer is option number 3, Assam. What is the GDP growth rate projection of India for FY21 according to UBS? Answer is option number 1, minus 10.5%. Which of the following day is celebrated as the Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical welfare? Answer is option number 2, 13th November. And now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, who was known as the father of IT industry? Answer is option number 2, F.C. Kohli, or Fakir Chand Kohli is known as the father of IT industry, and recently he has died. Now today's question is, which of the following state government has launched Him Suraksha Abhiyan recently? Options are Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana and Maharashtra. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.